Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Welcome you in Pakistan International School Type Virtual Learning System. Today, week number 4, starting. This is grade 2 mathematics class. And today we will do page number 75 and 76 and also table of 6. This is video number 28 and I am Imtiaz Khamar, your math teacher. In last video, video number 27, we did pages 27, 72, 73, and 74. And these all pages about the multiplication. Page 72 and 73, the multiplication converting ones and tens. Uh, First number in page 72, first number consists of 3 digits and second number only one. And page number 73 also, first number consists of 3 digits like 183 multiply 3 and second number can consists of only one digit. So but here in some questions we convert ones into tens and some questions we convert tens into hundred, means converting ones and tens according to the situation. And sub-page was 94, also multiplication, but here the practice of commutative property. Commutative property, what is the to change the place of the digit, place of the number, like 5 multiply 8 is, is equal to 50 and 10, 5 multiply 10 is equal to 50 and 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. If we replace the location of the numbers, so no effect in the answer. In both situation, the answer will remain same. So to multiply two numbers, the numbers can be put in any order. Okay, like 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 2, 6. But we can apply commutative property only addition and subtraction. We cannot apply this property on addition and subtraction. Okay, so today we will do page number 75 and 76 and also table of 6. So let us start. This is the page number 75. Remembering tables. This is all again the practice of the table. Again, I remind you, tables are very important, especially if you do the multiplication of problems. Okay, so I again remind you, learn memorize table from 2 to 9, from 2 to or 9 or 2 to 10. Okay, 10 table of 10 is very easy. You can easily uh, learn that one, but 2 to 9 you must memorize because these tables are used in multiplication and as well as division sums. Okay, so let us start. Question remembering table. Work out each of the following and then color the pattern. Okay, first you solve this, write the answer and then color according to the instructions given below. So first we will do the question, right answer. First of all, 1 4 14 multiply 3, 14 multiply 3, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 1 write only 2 and 1 will go to add into tens. It means we are converting ones. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So what is the answer? 42. What is the answer? 42. 1 3 13 multiply 2. 13 multiply 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2. 4 0 40 multiply 4. 40 multiply 4. 4 0 0. 4 fours are 16. 4 0 4. 4 fours are 16. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 1 will go to add into next 5 nines. Read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. And 9 fives are 45. And plus 1, 46. And 4 will go to add into hundreds. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So what is the answer? 965. You write this one a little above. In the previous video, I wrote, but because now you know, so you can write a little above. The 5 threes are 5, write 5, 5 and write 1 here a little above. 64 multiply 6. 64 multiply 6. So read a table of 4 up to 6. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. So right here 24, write 4 here and 2 will go to add into next. 6 6 are 36, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 four are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 6 are 36 plus 4 plus 2 38. So 384 answer. Okay. 1 9 19 multiply 8. So read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 6 are 63, and 9 eights are 72. So right here, 2 here, and 7 will go to add into next. 8 ones are 8 plus 7, 15. So 152. 24 multiply 6. 2 4 24 multiply 6. 6 fours are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. So write 4 here and 2 will go to add into next. 6 twos are 12 plus 2, 14. So 144. 24 multiply 6. What is the answer? 144. 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. 7, read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. iPod 7 threes. Read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 will go to add into 7 sevens are 49 plus 2 51 511 answer. Okay. J part 40 0 4 6 are 24. 2 will go to add into next. 4 ones are 4 2 6. So 640. 160 multiply 4. What is the answer? 640. K part 6 6 are 36. 3 will go to add into next. 6 twos are 12 plus 3 15. And 1 will go to add next. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7. So 126 multiply 6 is equal to 756. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. This is very easy. 2 fours are 8,
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 2 ones are 2. So 134 multiplied 2, what is the answer? 268. So 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, if you know the table, you can do within minutes. 9 nines are, read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 six sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. So write 1 here, and 8 we will add into next. It converts into tens. 9 fours are 36 plus 8, 44. So 49 multiply 9, 441. Okay. So look why I write the answer in different color, because look this one. First you first write the answer, then you color. Okay. Odd. First I uh, tell you what is the odd and what is the even. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So these are even numbers. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. These are odd numbers. Simple, the number which can divide onto, those numbers are called even, and which cannot divide onto, those numbers are called odd number. So odd less than 100, green. So look this one, which number is odd and which, that is the, this is even number, even, this is odd, but this is more than 100. This is even, this is even, this is even, this is odd but more than 100. This is even, this is odd, this is odd more than 100, this is odd more than 100, and then this 230, this is odd but more than 100. So no number is less than and 100 which uh, is the odd. So odd greater than 100 and less than 300. The number who is the greater than 100 and less than 300, it should be odd. So look this one. This is more than 300. This is more than 300, more than 300, more than 300, more than 300. Only this number 213 is come, is, this number is more than 100 and less than 300, and blue, and look this one, this is blue. You color this one blue. And even number, okay, greater than 100 and less than 300, even, greater than 100 and less than 300, purple. So look this one, 160, this is even, greater than purple. 152, greater than 100 and less than 300, purple. 144, greater than 100, less than 300, purple. And this is greater than 300. Okay, only these are odd number, greater than 300, that is orange. So this is the greater than, this is like, oh, okay, 965, this is odd number, and this is greater than 300, orange color. 441, this is greater than 300 and this is odd, so orange color. 511, greater than 300 and this is odd, orange. Okay, only these three numbers. Even, less than 100, red. 42 less than 100, even, red. 26 less than 100, even, red. And 22 less than 100, even, red. Even, greater than 300, pink. Look this one, which one greater than 300? This is 384. This is even and greater than, this is, look, pink. 640, greater than 300, pink. And 756, even number and greater than 300, pink. Okay, okay, only these numbers. Okay, so look this one, first you write the answer and then color according to these conditions. Okay, odd less than 100, green. Odd greater than 100, less than 300, blue. Even, greater than 100, less than 300, purple. Odd greater than 300, orange. Even, less than 100 red, even, greater than 300 pink. Okay, boys. So next page, page number 70, page number 76. So now this is multiplication and as well as division. Remember this sign. Look, this sign. This is the division sign. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Like subtraction is the opposite of addition. So division is the opposite of multiplication. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay, so we use this sign for multiply and this sign, one dash and then two dot up and down. So this sign is used for divisions, the number families for the multiplication. So look this one, 1 2 3 4 and multiply 1 2 3 4 4 column multiply 1 2 3 rows. So 4 multiply 3. Okay, or 1 2 3 rows multiply 1 2 3 4 columns. 3 into 4 12. Okay, so now look this one, 1 2 3 4 total 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 divided 3, divided 3 is equal to 4. So very easy here. In multiplication we read two numbers are given and we read the this one smaller numbers table and then up to the big number numbers which one is given, then we write down like this 4 multiply 3. So read the table of 3 up to 4 or table of 4 up to 3 and then answer will come. So in divisions, so first number divided 12 divided 3. So we read the table of 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So till 12 comes. So which number multiply with 3 and 12 comes? 4, and that is our answer. Okay, 3 fours are 12. Okay, so in multiplication we check the second number multiply the answer should be equal the first number. In multiplication, in multiplication, the first number multiply second answer we write the after the equal sign. But in divisions, we read the table of the second number and till the first number will come in that table. Okay, so it's mean the second number multiply with the answer, the first number should become. So 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. Okay, so read the table of 3 and this one read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So write 3. Our answer is 3. Okay, our answer is 3. So this is, so here we represents column with 4 and rows with the 3. So 3, 4 and 12 are the member of the numbers family for multiplication. Now write the missing number. Write the missing number. 6 fours. So read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 6 are 24. Write 24 here. 4 multiply 6. Now read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So again The answer is same. Look here, we are applying the rules of commutative property. Commutative property. Mean we change the order 6 into 4, 24, 4 into 6, 24. So 24 divided. So second number, if the second number is not given, so we read, look, what is our answer? 6. So read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So now the first number comes, so it means 6 fours. Right, 4 here. 6 fours are 24. So 24 multiply blank is equal to 4. So read again the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. So right here 6. 4 6 are 24. So first two question multiplication, the second, third, and fourth division. 7 fives. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 multiply 7. Now read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. So right here 35. So 35 divided. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write here 5 until read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are, to write the 7 here. Okay. You write here with the help of table or with the help of these columns and rows. So 35s are with the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 7. 5 sevens are 35. C part. 5 nines are this one. You can also this look this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 9 rows. Read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are again read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. And 5 nines are 45. 45 divided dash 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. And 5 nines are 45. So write 9 here. Now read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. Okay. So in both cases, if you are multiply, if you are divide, so read the table. Okay. The last part, 6 sevens are, read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. So right here 42. 42. So 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 42 divided 6. So directly you can write 7. We know this 42 is the sum of the multiplication of 6 and 7. So read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. And last one, read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. And 7 six are 42. So right, 6 8. Okay, so this is the simple multiplication and doing. Okay, inshallah, we will do the more multiplication division in the next videos. But before that, again and again, I remind you, practice, learn, memorize the tables. Okay, from 2 to 10. Now the table of 6. Table of 6. So 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 6 elevens are 66. 11s are 66. 6 12s are 72. 6 12s are 72. Now read with me. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 6 elevens are 66. 6 12s are 72. Okay, boys. This is the table of 6. Now your homework to page 75 and 76 in your book, and write the table of 6 in the notebook, but first you memorize and then write. Okay, if you still did not memorize, so now first, if you know, if you can write directly, you will write, but if you not know, first memorize and then write, and at least write the 2 times. So this is the page number 75. This is the page number 76. And this is the table. Okay, boys. I hope you understand. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Stay at home. Allah Hafiz.